All right, everybody. It is my post-market wrap-up on this Thursday, June 6th, 2019. Little puffs of loveliness are just everywhere. We are surrounded in them, immersed in them. Remember, all we do, you can touch them, but you got to release them, free them. Don't hold on to any of them because it will bring you bad luck. It's the truth. Why am I so out of control? Well, a nice little rally here on Wall Street today, and the news is kind of everywhere. So here's what it appears is going on, and if it's true, we have to give credit where credit's due, and I do that. You all know that. Apparently, the president, that's not the president, all right? That's just some character. I know a lot of you think that's the president, but it isn't. Anyway, apparently the president is going to be delaying tariffs on Mexico because Mexico is going to comply with some of the requests by the president to secure their side of the border. The announcement of this news, real or not, because I don't know really what's going on, was enough to really spark a nice rally on Wall Street. I myself got into 3 trades today, all on the long end. I did well. I'm turning into quite a day trader as of late. Anyway, so that's the real story, and I would imagine we're going to start to hear more about this as we move forward. Now, let's just talk a little further here. There's kind of a lot of things in play. So we have this. Real or not, I don't know yet, but apparently it seems real to me. And again, if it's true, we do have to give the president credit here for getting some action at the border. There are issues there. There's no doubt about it. Okay. So we also understand that it's a lock that we are going to get a rate cut, at least one. So these two things here are stock market positive. If we get any, and I mean any kind of a deal with China, what this stock market will do is gonna be mind-blowing, and I mean mind-blowing. It doesn't matter what's happening on the ground with the real economy, how the dollar will lose purchasing power. Any of this stuff doesn't matter. So just be aware of that. Now, let me move forward till tomorrow just real quick. We're going to get this jobs number tomorrow, and it is being anticipated in a big way. It's going to be interesting to see how this is floated out here. And believe me, they're working on it right now. These numbers are fake. We all know that. They're going to push the U3 number, which is completely fake. Okay. Now, the worse this number is, the higher stocks will go in this environment. So just be ready for it. And if you're an intraday trader like I am now, there is opportunity here. There is opportunity here. Take advantage of it. And again, for anyone that wants to, in the description of this video, I have several trading systems for you, 100% free. The one I've been using lately is my Renko system. Go to my website, upper right-hand corner, click on it. If you're using Thinkorswim, it's a breeze to set up. If you're using another platform, you can use the same parameters. I'm pretty sure it would work there too. Anyway, so with that said, let's just summarize real quick. Let's see what happens. Is this real? Is it fake? You know what happened to me initially? It's the funniest thing. So, I follow all this stuff in real time. So I found out that there was going to be delay in the tariffs, the Mexican tariffs. So I posted it and I got slammed. Greg, this is fake news. You don't know President Trump. He's not going to do it. Well, it turned out to be that it might actually be real because, well, to the president's credit, maybe he got Mexico to do something over there. So before you come and try to bite my head off and tell me I'm putting out fake news, maybe you should do a little research on your own. It's not that hard. It's really not. You know, there's something called Google. Believe it or not, maybe this is new to you, but it's a very easy resource. Anyway, with that said, let's see how this plays out. So tariff delay looks like it might be real. I don't know. Maybe we'll find out tomorrow it's not real. I don't know. Again, stocks will go down. We'll see. Rate cut is a lock. Probably 2 cuts. Any China deal, any whatsoever on the planet, I don't care if it's the worst deal, stocks are going to go up. You can pretty much see how this is going to play out. With that said, I'm going to leave you all surrounded in little puffs of loveliness. This guy loves you a lot. I'll see you tomorrow morning. It's going to be just as lovely as today. I'm sure of it.